Oh, sabi niya pa dito, also in addition to this, not everyone is privileged enough to upskill. Not true. Upskilling is not only reserved for the privileged. Yes, it will make it easier for you to have access. But regardless whether you are privileged or not, you can. Diba? Someone's offering something that you can use to upskill yourself. You just need to choose that task. Kailangan nyo lang gustuhin mag-upskill. Kasi kung hindi, sandamukal na excuses nyo, yung ibibigay nyo before kayong mapapayag na mag-upskill. Kesyo walang time, pagod, walang oras, gusto kong magsaya, gusto kong tumambay, gusto kong mag-ML. Lahat ibibigay nyo para lang hindi kayo mag-improve. Personal improvement is necessary to get you out of your situation. That's true, okay? So we agree to that. But ang laking factor now ng government sa kahirapan ng Pilipino, I agree with that. But babalik ulit tayo doon sa pwede mong gawin sa korupsyon sa gobyerno. Sige. Can you give more than doon sa naibigay ko na? Tulad ng pagboto, tulad ng pagsali sa mga grupo na kumakalaban sa korupsyon, katulad ng Mayors for Good Governance and Citizens for Good Governance. Magsumbong sa government offices ng korupsyon na nakikita nyo. O aside from that, what can you do about corruption? Oh. Not just them, even the big companies who refuse to pay enough for their employees. At the end of the day, the biggest factor in poverty leans towards the government. Okay. Now again, what can you do about it? 'Di ba? Hindi kasi pwedeng rally lang eh. Hindi pwedeng rally na puro mura, walang saysay, puro selfie. Just for them to feel good, just for them to think that they've done something that has even have any weight upon it. Yun lang naman silbi nun. Anong kapalit? Naka-perwisyo kayo, naka-traffic kayo. 'Di ba? Nag-move forward ba kayo dun sa gusto nyong mangyari na mawala yung korupsyon? Nah. You just made yourself feel good by making you think na yung pagbara-bara nyo sa kalsada without even proper action para mawala yung korupsyon na ninalabanan nyo is pointless. O yung mga sinasabi nyong kumpanya na hindi nagbabayad ng maayos, file a case sa DOLE. Grabe, ang daming kumpanya yung takot sa DOLE. Of course, again, I'm not excluding na walang korupsyon diyan sa any, there could be. But, okay? In general terms, gumagana ang DOLE. I've seen many cases filed by my colleagues from previous work, etc., and the DOLE does its job. So, again, no one's stopping you to perform the things that you can do to end corruption on a political perspective. Pero, at the same time, you can supplement it with a more realistic solution or more immediate solution is mag-improve ka sa sarili mo. Kahit formal or informal man yang pag-i-improve mo sa sarili mo, pag nag-improve ka, walang ibang makakaagaw sa'yo nung binigay mong improvement sa sarili mo. Hindi katulad na pag hinintay mo yung gobyerno na tapusin yung nirereklamo nyo, kailan nyo pa nakitang ginawa ng gobyerno yun? Diba? The changes in the government is so slow. You will end up forever blaming other people, other institution, rather than learning or being better 1% every day. But this is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.
This is Pinoy Extreme.